Alright, so just had some dinner. Went to Peppermill. The food here is a bomb. So I don't know what I'm gonna do now because I've kind of done like some of the Vegas stuff already. I know that there's going to be a lot of exotic cars rolling in to the Aria Hotel and Resort and Casino, I think. So I'm going to head over there and maybe catch some good stuff. Alright, so before I go to the Aria to check that out, I wanted to pass by one of the locals told me about this bar called The Nerd. It's really, really awesome. Actually, it's right down there. So it's like a bar. They got like video games and all kinds of cool shit. And this is pretty cool. This is downtown Las Vegas. So let's check it out. Holy crap, this place is awesome. So like the deal is, you come in, you buy a drink, one drink minimum, and you have free range on everything. I think, you know what, let me see. You have another coin? What can you do for the start? Holy shit. Yeah, you have to So basically, you buy a drink, and you can just come in and just play with all the machines. They have arcade games. They've got bowling. There's a freaking octagon. Like, look at this. Let me come back here and look at this thing. There's a freaking octagon, UFC octagon in here. I don't know what the rules are on sparring in the bar, but I've never seen a bar with a UFC octagon. This is insane. Let me look at this. What the hell? All right, one last thing I want you guys to check out. I know it might be a little weird, but I want you to check out the bathroom. The walls are lined with comic books. Look at this. Yeah, this blue light kind of gives it like a kind of creepy feeling. Look at that. And all the stall walls are metal, right? So then when you close the door, there you go. It's almost like you're locking yourself in like an asylum or something, right? With all these comic books. Looks like a lot of these are like X-Men and stuff. Wow. This place is just cool, no matter how you want to put it. All right, let's check out some more downtown before I head over to the Aria. So there's a walking Denny's here, but more importantly, check out the ceiling. There's, I guess there's projectors or something, or, you know what, no. This ceiling is all LEDs. This is a giant LED panel array. Holy crap. I mean, when you consider each individual panel costs like a couple $100, this is nuts. So we got Viva Vegas over here. Dude, this isn't even the strip. This is just downtown. Holy shit. particularly gonna get it work, but this is hilarious on its own. What? Oh!
Walk away, walk away.
Get out of here.
Holy shit! Let's go.
And he's on power. All right. I didn't expect that. So what else can Vegas throw at me? All right. I am here out at the Aria, so I see a lot of cars lining up for the Corsa America Rally. So let's walk around and see what's here. All right, we got a wide-body Liberty Walk Lamborghini Huracan coming through. What else is out here? Ferrari, California. Look at this. Porsche 911 RWB. Look at that wide body. Holy shit. You have a yellow Lamborghini Huracan, a white Aventador. Let's see. Looks like a 650S in black. A little hard to see. No light out here. And the Aston Martin Repeat from last night. Okay. All right. What else do we have out here? Look at this. Massive freaking 6-wheeled. Holy shit. What? This is a double dually. So that this is what, 10 wheels, 10 tires on a stretched GMC Sierra chassis? Is this going on the rally? Get out of here. You are not on the rally. No. How are you? And is it? Nah. Okay, so there's an additional drive shaft joining together the rearmost differential. So this has, I guess, 10-wheel drive. Or technically, I mean, I guess each tire counts as one wheel, so it's really more like 6-wheel drive. But still, dude, 10-wheel drive. Like, this is nuts. What else we have? Search and rescue Jeep. Look at that. It's even got a kayak on the top. We've got a white Rolls Royce. Okay, traveling, going on the rally in comfort. We've got a blue Jeep. This is the Patina Jeep Commando. And another mall crawler. Look at that, beautiful.
Real deal shit right here.
All right, so I imagine most of the cars are already up in the garage. But there's still a couple of cars rolling in. I just saw a blue GTR roll in and park in the garage. So I'm gonna wait for some more cars to roll into the north entrance valet, and then I'll head upstairs to the garage and see what's there. Oh, hey, look, it's that GTR I was talking about. He didn't go into the garage. Let's see what's going on here. So, wide body GTR, carbon fiber stuff. What's up, dude? High five the camera.
Great.
Bam. What else we got? What kit is this? Liberty Walk? Liberty Walk, yeah. All right, we got a chassis mounted wing, huge airfoil, carbon fiber trunk, carbon fiber diffuser. What is this, a 2017? Oh, 2015, okay. Yeah. Hey, Jaguar F-Type. Rev it. Yeah. All right, what do we have here? GTR, nice. There we go. Oh, this is a different kit. The titanium on this exhaust is unreal. Ah. Carbon fiber door. I didn't even know they made a carbon fiber door. Holy shit, look, there you go. Look at this. Like, this is where the exhaust would normally exit, and then it's routed back up to exit in the center of the bumper. There you go. Holy shit. What body kit is this? What? Ben Sopra. Okay. It's a new one to me. Holy shit. And it's this sort of it's almost like midnight purple. Look at this. All right, we got something else. We got something else. Acura NSX. Look at that. Oh, does this also have a Liberty Walk kit?
Huh?
Does this also have a Liberty Walk kit?
That's his car.
The driver of this car is the owner of this car, but is this also Liberty Walk? Holy shit, it is, yeah. Wow. What's up, brother?
Hey, what's up, brother?
I'm just chilling like a villain.
Chilling like a villain from Manila?
Yeah, buddy.
Right on, man.
So you have two twin-turbo V6 Liberty Walk supercars.
Three.
Three.
The Ferrari's an 8-cylinder.
And not JDM.
Not JDM, but JDM style.
Yeah, buddy. Look at the lighting on the NSX. Like, normally this is kind of like dumb and cheesy, but when on this car, it's just so well done. You know, I don't know, seeing this thing moving down the street, in addition to the already ridiculousness of the body kit, is just that extra bit of just amazing. And then that pulsating, you know, I don't know what to call it, circulation from the taillights, just like pulsating back and forth, on and off. It just looks just unreal. All right, so the Ben Sopa GTR, the Liberty Walk NSX, oh yeah, and the Liberty Walk GTR are all about to roll out, and I guess they're off to get some food. Hey, do like a huge burnout when you leave.
It's all-wheel drive.
Do an all-wheel drive burnout,
Yeah, negative.
or an all-wheel drive drift.
No, he can do it. You should ask him.
That is true. He can do a little burnout. Okay. Hey, do a burnout when you leave.
Oh, no, hell no, man. You cannot. Respect first to the people around you, the environment, man. We'll do burnouts on the track, man.
Hell yeah, brother. We got something rolling up. Oh, Porsche. All right, we got this cool guy. Look at this sick S14 kooky. Very nice. Digging the taillights. All right, guys, I don't see Damon out here. I don't see Dave out here. So it's just me and all those Lambos. So my feet are tired. I'm tired. Everything hurts. I'm getting home for the night. Gonna rest up, and I'll be out here in the morning for the Corsa America Rally.